Hi, this is Matt from Smart Online Tutoring. I'm going to show you how to add some pages to your website using the page adding tool here in WordPress. So as you can see on the left hand side below media, there's a section called pages. Click that and then add new page, and then enter the title name, so for example about. Then in this box here we can write about us. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste some information that I've pre-written. Just pasted that from a Word document, and to make it a little bit more visually appealing, I'm going to add a picture of myself in here as well. It's always a good idea, I think, to have a face to your about page so that your students can connect with you and they'll believe that it's a real person on the other end. So how do you add a picture? Well, we can click here where it says add media, and then we can either upload a file, simply click select file and choose from your photos of yourself, or you can click here where it says media library. I've already uploaded a photo of myself here, and I can click here. If you look on the right hand side, we can also see there are options like title and alt text. I've just added Matt Thompson online tutor here in the title, and an alt text is something that you can include. It's not compulsory, but it's a good idea to include alt text in case the picture doesn't show for some reason, and you can have an alternative text instead of the picture. It just means that your image will be shown as a text instead. We scroll down and we can choose how we want to align it within the about page. You can choose left or right aligned. I'm going to go for center. No, I'm going to align it to the right. If you click none here, that means that the picture won't link to anything. We don't want this picture linking, so we'll click none. And let's see what the medium size looks like. We can always change it later. So once you've got the settings and you click insert into page, there it is. So it's right aligned to the side of the writing here. You can always play with it if you want to change the alignment, but I think I'm going to stick with right alignment there. I'm happy with the size. If you do want to edit the image after you've added it, you can just click this edit button here, and that will take you to the edit page, so you can make it larger if you wanted to. So now that we've added our image, we've got our text on the about page here. I've also included a contact email address at the bottom here, so that people can contact me with any questions. So now that we've added all the content, we can publish the page by clicking this publish button on the right. We can now view the page by clicking view page at the top. This gives you an idea about what the page will look like. So if you're happy with that, then that's ready to go. But if you do want to edit the image or any of the text or change things around, you can click edit page here and continue to edit. I'd like to do a small edit here by making this section here slightly larger. So I'm going to choose heading 3, which just increases the size of the writing there. I'd also like to add a little gap between the first paragraph, so I can put this horizontal line at the top here, which just separates the two paragraphs. So there we can see a little bit of formatting, and there are other options that you can use at the top here to edit and format your article. Once you've finished making any edits and you're happy with the layout of your About page, don't forget to click Update, and this will update any of the changes you've made. Now we need to create a menu so that the About page can be displayed on your website. You can do this by clicking where it says Appearance on the left, and then Menus. And then we can just create a menu name, for example, Smart Online Tutoring, and create menu. Then we can add the About page by clicking the box and Add to Menu. This now means that the About page is added to the menu. Click down here where it says Primary Menu, and also automatically add new top-level pages to this menu. So when we create our next page, it will automatically be added to the menu there. Click Save. And now let's visit the site. And there we can see the About page in the right-hand corner there. If we click on that, it will link to the page that we've just created. To add more pages, you can either go up here where it says New and then Page, or you can go back through the dashboard over here and Pages, Add New. I'm going to add a privacy page. Privacy policy page, adding my pre-written content there. You can scroll down to the bottom of the content I've added, and here you can see this is the all-in-one SEO pack, and we can add a title. So we'll just put in there privacy policy and a description if you want, and then click Publish. Now if we visit the site, we should now see that the privacy policy is next to the About page. And that's it. Now you know how to add pages to your website. You can add things like your prices, testimonies, or any other information about your tutoring services that you wish.